Hi, today I'm making a blackberry nectarine salad. I love this salad for a lot of reasons. It's a summer salad. It's very light. If you like nectarines and blackberries, you'll love this salad. So we're going to begin with 2 cups of arugula, 1 cup of blackberries, 1 cup of pecans, 1 large nectarine, feta to your taste, and I have here 2 small cucumbers, the baby cucumbers, and so they really taste great. I take my pecans and I'm going to go ahead and spread them in a pan and toast them for about 8 minutes. A toasted pecan gives an incredible flavor to any dish, but the salad, you'll really appreciate it in the salad. While that's baking, I'm going to go ahead and slice up my cucumbers. And you just want them maybe be 1/8 of an inch thick. Again, these baby cucumbers, or Persian cucumbers as they're sometimes referred to, are really tasty in a summer salad. I've sliced up my nectarine. It's really sweet, and that makes a nice complement to the nuts. I'm going to go ahead and wash my arugula. Now, I've taken to washing lots of things with baking soda these days. If you're looking at the news like I am, that's pretty important. But I've washed my arugula that I got from the farmer's market, and I've just transferred it into my dish. The pecans are ready. They've turned really brown, but the flavor, again, is incredible. So I'm going to go ahead and let these cool, and then I'm going to crush them with I'm using my mallet here to crush them, because I'm going to sprinkle those in the salad. While those are cooling off, you see I've broken them into pieces with the mallet. I'm going to go ahead and prepare the rest of my salad. I've added my cucumbers to the arugula, and the nectarines are going in. You can arrange this however you like. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my cup of blackberries. I've already washed those in baking soda, rinsed them, and then I'm adding them to the salad. Next, I'm adding my feta. You do this to taste. I've probably added 1/4 to 1/2 cup here, but it really is your preference. I'm then adding those crushed pecans, and I'm going to set the salad aside so I can make a quick vinaigrette. One really great thing about summer is that you can find all these amazing vinegars and olive oil, and they just make really nice dressing. So I have this brand that I like, and I'm using a pomegranate balsamic vinegar and a blood orange flavored olive oil with Dijon mustard as an accompaniment for an incredible salad dressing. So we're going to take 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and we're just adding 3 tablespoons of the olive oil, the blood orange olive oil, and then I'm also adding 3 tablespoons of the pomegranate balsamic vinegar. And I'm just going to whisk those together, right? I'm going to whisk those 3 ingredients together, and they're going to emulsify, and you will see that the dressing or the vinaigrette begins to thicken. And I really like that. These 3 ingredients make a pourable salad dressing that can be refrigerated. I usually keep it in there for about a week, but I'm adding about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. I forgot to mention that, so I want to make sure you do know that, to this for taste. But it is so good. I highly recommend that you try this. But this is what it looks like, this sort of homemade salad dressing, or this vinaigrette. And I'm just pouring a little bit over some of the salad that I've served myself. And that, my friends, is a blackberry nectarine salad. Happy summer.